Section 4.3 homework, point 3.3. The data to the right represent the number of chocolate chips per cookie in a random sample of a name brand and a store brand. We're going to complete parts A through C below. The first question wants us to draw a side-by-side box plot for each brand of cookie. We're going to label the box plots N for the name brand and S for the store brand. So let's go ahead and open this up into StatCrunch. Okay, so we're going to go to Graph, and then we're going to select Box Plot. Okay, now we're going to select Name Brand and then Store Brand. And then we're going to make sure that we have fences, and then we also want to make sure that we draw boxes horizontally. Let's compare. Excuse me. Now, if you notice, what was written first in our box plots are the name brand. So we want to be able to switch this to make sure that the name brand is first and the store brand is second. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Options, select Edit, and in this time, we're going to make sure the store brand is listed first, then the name brand is second over here. And then we also already have this selected. Now, you're going to see that the name brand is first and the store brand is second. So let's go ahead and compare the box plots. So if we take a look at the first box plot, okay, so here's our first box plot, and if you notice here, we have the value of here is at 20. So the value of here is the minimum value for name brand, which is located at 20. Well, this lower limit is smaller than 20, and so it's going to change our selection there, so we're not going to pick A. Let's take a look at B. Okay, so if we take a look at B, we're going to see that we have that at 20, and you can see where the means are located, or the median. Okay, so let's compare it to our graph here. So it looks like it possibly could be this one. Okay, now notice that these are the same distance, which is beyond 30. So it looks like it could be this. So let's try this next one. And if you look at this next one, you will see that this box plot does not match. Okay, this is beyond the 20 for this one. And also notice that the median here are closer, where this is a little bit further away. So it looks like it's going to be selection B, and there is our result. Now it says, does there appear to be a difference in the number of chips per cookie? So let's analyze this box plot on the next page here. So here is the box plot that we created. And let's take a look at the medians. Now the median of the name brand cookies lies to the right of the median of the store brand cookies. Thus, the name brand appears to have more chips per cookie. So we're going to say yes, the name brand appears to have more chips per cookie. And there's our answer for that one. Let's check to make sure we're correct. And then part C, it says, does one brand have a more consistent number of chips per cookie? In order to answer this question, we need to look at how the data is spread for the box plot. So what we're going to do here is the spread of the name brand cookies, okay, from here to here, is less than the spread of the store brand cookies. Thus, the name brand has more consistent number of chips per cookie. So we're going to say yes, the name brand has more consistent number of chips per cookie. And that concludes this question.